Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video I want to be showing you another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to cash 5 to 10 candles in the boom and crash market, and also to cash a longer moves. So if you pay close attention to my chart, you will see this is the 1 minute time frame and this is boom 1000. In my last video I dropped a strategy that you can use to swing trade, why this one is for scalping. If you have time, you can check your chart every time. This is a very accurate strategy that you can use to scalp the market. I want you to pay close attention to everything I'll be saying, because I'll be giving just 2 to 3 examples. All you need to do is to go back on your chart and check for yourself. The first thing I will do is to show you my indicator setups. Then I will tell you how the strategy works. Click on this indicator over here to select your indicators. As you can see, I have just 3 indicators. I have moving average, average directional movement index, which is ADX, and I have the MACD. So to select the moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for your moving average. Make the period to be 10, shift to be 0, method to be simple, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice. After that, you click on save. For the average directional movement index, which is the ADX, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for your ADX. Make the period to be 14. For the levels, click on this pen icon to add level. Make it 90, 10, 100, and 0. Then for the styles, make everything to be color of your background. If your background is white, make it white. If it is black, like mine, you make it black. After that, you click on save. So the last indicator is the MACD. To select that, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for MACD. Make the fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. For the main style, make it color of your choice. Signal style, make it color of your background. After that, you click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart will look exactly just as you see over here. So as you can see, this line over here is the ADX line, while this green line you see inside is the MACD, and the orange line on the main chart is the moving average. So for the zoom level, let's say this is the innermost zoom. You want to zoom in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you have your zoom level fixed. What are we paying attention to? So what you want to be paying attention to is a spike, a rally to the upside. So this will be the rally. You can see this series of spike to the upside, and you want to see it pushes this green line. It can enter the 90 level without entering the 100 level. It is still a nice setup, but it is not as accurate as when you see it enters into the 100 and the 90 level, just as you see over here. So once you have that, then you want to pay attention to your main chart. You want to wait for when the candles go below the moving average, just like you see here. Then you will enter your sell. Then you look forward to cashing 5 to 10 candles, and you can cash more if you want. Just like you see over here, you can see the market continues to move to the downside, give over 25 candles. You can also wait for when you have a spike. So once you have a spike, you close the trade entirely, but I will advise you to just stick to 5 to 10 candles or 15 candles if you want, and don't wait for this spike, because you can be in a lot of profits, and this single spike can take away half of your profit. So you can see over here we have a spike, but did not enter into the 90 and the 80 level, which is telling us that market is likely to continue spiking to the upside. So you will wait for when we have a spike that pushes into the 190 level. You can see this one around here. It is a small spike, but it still enters into the 190 level. So you can see over here, let's say this is 100 and this is 90. You want to see the spike pushes this indicator like this. You don't want to see something like this, like a straight line. You want to see it form something like a peak, just like you see around this point. So you have this single spike, small spike, form this cross of the moving average. Then you look forward to cashing 5 to 10 candles or more as the market continues to rally to the downside onto this level when you have a spike. Crash market, and let me show you 1 or 2 examples around this point. So here, what you are looking for is opposite to the bull market. The first thing you want to pay attention to in the crash market is the 10 and the 0 level. So once you have series of spikes to the downside, as you all know that the crash market spikes to the downside, you want to see it pushes this MACD indicator into the 10 and the 0 level, forming something like a U shape. So once you have that, you wait for the cross of the moving average, you enter your buy, then you look forward to cashing 5, 10, or 20 candles. You see the market continues up to the current market now. So this is another one at this point. You have this long spike to the downside, pushes this, forming a U shape, touching the 0 and the 10 level. So once you have that, wait for the cross of the moving average, look forward to targeting 5 to 10 candles. After you enter a buy, can see market continues to take out this high. So basically that is what I want to show you for this video. Like I said, I want to show you 2 to 3 examples, and I think I have given over 4 examples. So what you need to do is to go back on your chart, test it for yourself, and trade it in a live moving demo account. So once you do that, then you see how profitable you are. You can do whatever you want with the strategy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.